Hello students, today I am here with a new chapter that is integers of class 7 for you all. As we heard about different types of numbers in previous classes like natural numbers, whole numbers. So here I will deal with integers. Whole natural numbers, as you know, what are natural numbers? All the counting numbers are called natural numbers, that means 1, 2, 3 and so on. And what are whole numbers? All the natural numbers including 0 are called whole numbers, means 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now here comes integers. Integers are the collection of negative natural numbers, 0 and positive natural numbers, or we can write negative natural numbers and whole numbers also. So negative natural numbers and 0 and positive natural number, or negative natural numbers and whole numbers. Now here comes how we can example we can take like 0 1 2 3 and so on, and -1 -2. These are all integers, but if we write that 1 upon 2, it is a fraction number and it is not an integer. So you have to know that all the negative natural numbers and whole numbers are integers. Now I will tell you representation of integers on number line. How to represent integers on number line? Representation of integers on number line. Here I will draw a number line. In that I will tell you how we can represent integers on number line. So I have taken this a number line. I will mark the values, like here it is 0, and right hand side are the positive values and left hand side are the negative values, means 1 2 3 4. We can mark further also, and -1 -2 -3 and -4. The gapping means the scale should be same, means I have left 1 centimeter from 0 to 1, that is 1 centimeter, 1 to 2, that is 1 centimeter, means these gappings must be equal. So if I have to plot -2 3 0 on number line, it's very easy. We can draw a number line like this. Then -2 is this, 0 is this point, and 3 is this point. We can write that A represent -2, B represent 0 and C represent 3 on number line. And we can also say that the numbers which are written on the right hand side of a number line are positive integers, and the numbers which are written on the left hand side of number line are negative integers. Similarly, we can also say that how we can arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order by using number line. So I have here a question of arrangement of ascending order. What is ascending order? Ascending order means arranging the number from the smaller number to the bigger number, while descending order means arranging the number from bigger number to the smaller number. Here is a question: arrange 7 -5 4 0 -4 in ascending order and make on number and mark on number line. Therefore here the greatest number will be 7 and the smallest number will be -5. So I will start here. -5 will be the smallest, then comes -4, then it is 0, and then it is 4, and last one is 7. This is the required ascending order. Now I will draw these numbers on number line, and I will draw number line. So consider this is a number line. So you can see clearly this point is 0. Equal gappings must be there, means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and here are negative values: -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6 and so on. First number is -5, we mark it as this as point A. Then -4 we can mark it as a point B. Then it is 0, we can mark it as point C. Then next is 4, we can mark it as point D, and the last one is 7, we can mark it as point E. So in number line we can see that A is the smallest number, that means -5. Here comes the -5 on the leftmost side, and the biggest number is 7, that is coming on the rightmost side. This means that as we move towards the right hand side of 0, the numbers are getting larger, and as we move towards left hand side of 0, the numbers are getting smaller. So this is the complete solution. We can write that A represents -5, B represents -4, C represents 0, D represents 4, and E represents 7 on number line. This is the NCERT question, and this is the complete solution of this question. Now I will move towards the properties of integers, how we can add. There are some properties of adding integers, so I will move towards the properties. I have made that table. I will show the properties of table with the properties of integers with the help of table. First property is closure property. Closure property means the sum of two integers is also an integer. Means if we add 2 plus 3 we get 5. It means that sum of two integers is also a integers. Here I will take the integers as a and b, like a plus b will be also an integer, means a plus b will also integer. Z is an integer here, and a and b are also integers. Subtraction means a minus b, it will also be an integer. The subtraction of two integers is also an integer. Multiplication means if we multiply a and b, then we get an integer. And division, here the property is not applied. In division the property is not applicable, means not applicable. Like we divide a upon b, that is a upon b, we get the fraction value, not the integer value. Okay, now here comes the commutative property. Commutative property means if a and b are integers, then we can add integers in any orders. We can add two integers, like a plus b will be is equal to b plus a. The property will be applied in addition, and in subtraction this property is not applied, because a plus b will not be, a minus b will not be equal to b minus a minus b is not equal to b minus a, as 2 minus 3 is -1 and 3 minus 2 is 1, so both are not equal, hence it is not applicable. In multiplication we can say that a into b is equal to b into a, it is correct. And in division it is not applicable, as a upon b is not equal to b upon a. Next comes the associative property. Associative property means if a, b, c are three integers, then if a, b, c are three integers, then we can change the order of addition of integers, like a plus b plus c will be equal to a plus b plus c, and it is not applicable in subtraction. And in case of multiplication we can say that a multiplied by b multiplied by c will be equal to a multiplied by b multiplied by c, and in case of division it is not applicable. So next is distributive property. Distributive property, we distribute the multiplication process, means a in b plus c in bracket will be equal to a multiplied by b plus a multiplied by. So in case of distributive property, here is a multiplied by b plus c will be a into b plus a into b. Similarly, in case of subtraction, we can say that a multiplied by b minus c will be equal to a multiplied by b minus a multiplied by c. And distributive property is not applicable in the case of multiplication and division. Here we can see all the properties. And next is existence of additive inverse. What do you mean by additive inverse? Like what should be added to a to get 0? a में क्या ऐड करें कि आंसर 0 आ जाए? मीन्स हमको a का निगेटिव वैल्यू का नंबर ऐड करना है कि आंसर हमारा 0 आ जाए. तो ये बहुत ईजी है एडिटिव इनवर्स. Like if I take a question, find the additive inverse of -9, answer will be additive inverse of -9 is +9. So we can do many more problems of this. Thank you.